Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to use the flashlight on the Apple Watch SE. So basically, if we have a problem and we need the flashlight, first of all, if the phone is off, we have to tap the screen. We can go ahead and wake it up. And scrolling from the bottom, we have our quick menu. And here we have flashlight. And as you can see, now that is gonna go white, and it actually gets more intense after a while. And you can even have a little bit of a code just in case you're having some issues, or even in red if that is also something you need, and it will flash a code if you need that. So basically there's probably SOS if that's the thing you need. Not that I know exactly what it is, but yeah. And if you want to go here, you can basically press and then it changes. And if you're done with it, just click the button and it'll close it. So that's how you access the flashlight on the Apple Watch SE. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye.